Hello, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. It is my pleasure to have you. Today I'm gonna be doing a hot oil treatment using this super hair growth oil that I made. So if you haven't seen that video, I urge you to go check it out. I'm going to be leaving the link up here and I'll also leave it in the description box down below. You know, hot oil treatment is actually very important before you do before your wash day. That's what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to be having a deep conditioning treatment later, so it is crucial for me to use a hot oil treatment, and there's no better way for me to do it than to use this super hair growth oil that I made. See, saturated my hair with water so my hair is moist. This will enable the oil to like go into my hair follicles very well. Okay, so before you do your hot oil treatment, ensure that your hair is saturated with water. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, this is the time that you should find time to subscribe. So since my hair is a high porosity hair product, it dries out quickly, so I'm going to saturate my hair with water. have some big twists and I have smaller twists as well. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover my hair with a grocery bag, satin bonnet. I'm just going to carry this for as long as I want until when I'm ready to do my deep conditioning, until when I'm ready to deep condition my hair. Okay, so this is actually the end of this video, and I hope you actually find this very helpful and informative at the same time. If you have further questions, please drop them in the comment section down below, and I'm going to attend to it ASAP. Okay, and if you want to know, like, if you want to buy some hair products that I actually use to make this a super hair growth oil, you can also let me know in the comment section down below so that I can actually ship it to your location. Okay, if you haven't subscribed, please find time to subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and until another time when I will come your way, my name is Ida Francis. Bye.